Welcome to the next tutorial in the series Selenium for Beginners. Today we will be learning how to execute Selenium tests on Chrome browser. To create Selenium test, we need to install the Selenium Standalone. For that, just go to the download section in the Selenium website, and this is the latest stable version which we'll have to download. Click on save file. Okay, so now it's downloaded. We'll create a separate folder to keep all the downloads that we have done for Selenium. Yes. So now, okay, so the first step is to open a new Java project. Now we'll go to Eclipse and click on create a Java project. Give a project name as Selenium test. Click on finish and do not create a module. Now we can see that there is a source folder and the GRE system library inside it. Now inside the source folder we are going to create a package and give any name like Selenium demo, and inside the package we'll create a class which would be first Selenium test. Click on finish. Okay, so here we have created a class. Yeah, so now what we are going to do is the Selenium jar that we downloaded, the Selenium Standalone. Inside this we are going to create a folder. The name would be lib, which means libraries, and inside that for Selenium Standalone we are going to create a separate folder, Selenium jars. Okay, so we can paste it inside this folder. So yes, now right click on it, go to build path and click on add to build path. Now we can see it inside the reference libraries. Now the next step is to download Chrome driver for Chrome. So Chrome driver is nothing but it is a standalone server which can help you to execute your Selenium tests in a Chrome browser. So basically if you want to do anything, any automation using Chrome browser, you will need the Chrome driver. So that's what is written here. It is used to launch Google Chrome, and without that it is not possible to execute Selenium scripts in Google Chrome. So to download the Chrome driver, we'll go to the Selenium official website again. In the download section, when you come down to browsers, you can see the Google Chrome documentation. Okay, so it has also the previous release and the latest release. Before downloading the Chrome driver, just make sure that the version of your Chrome driver matches with the version of Chrome. So to check the version of Google Chrome, just go to the options, select help and click on about Google Chrome. Here you can see the version is 89.0.4389.82. yes, 89. Yeah, so this is the same version. I'm going to download it. Depending on your operating system, for Mac you have these and for Linux and Windows. So I'll download the Windows one. Click on save. Now go to downloads and extract it. So you have this Chrome driver, just copy it and paste it to our Selenium folder so that we have all this in one place. Okay, so now we have it. Inside lib, again we are going to create a new folder to store the Chrome driver. And paste it inside this. Yes. So now we have all the components that are necessary downloaded and ready. Now we are going to write scripts to execute it inside the main method. The first thing we have to do is to set the path of Chrome driver using system.setProperty. Okay, so here we are going to write webdriver dot chrome dot driver, since we are using Chrome driver, and here we'll give the location of the Chrome driver. Now if you have not pasted your Chrome driver inside your project, you can give the location where it is stored, like directly you can give this location. And since our Chrome driver is inside our project, we'll click on properties and we can use this location for our Chrome driver. Just copy the location from the properties and paste it here. Click on enter. In the next step, we'll create an object which is named driver. So now you'll get a red line under this. Nothing to worry, it's just to import a particular package. So just click on change to WebDriver. It has imported org.openqa.selenium.webdriver, and for the Chrome driver same thing, it will import the Chrome driver package. Okay, next we have to give the URL to the object using driver.get. Now we'll give the URL of Selenium website only for the time being. Driver.get, we have given the URL. Now we can close the web browser. For that we'll use driver.close. So simple 4 things that we have done here to execute a test. That is, we have given the location of the Chrome driver using set property. We have instantiated an object. We have given the URL that is to be fetched by the Chrome browser, and the script to close the Chrome browser. So let's save this test and right click and run as Java application and see how it goes. Okay, it has opened the Chrome browser, went to the website, and it closed. So yes, our code is working. So this is how we perform a test on a Chrome browser using Selenium. I'll put all the links that are needed to download Selenium standalone and Chrome driver in the description. And thanks for watching.